Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make real money online with affiliate marketing. Now this channel is mostly geared towards affiliate marketing and making money online in general. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So how this is going to work is it first starts with a traffic source, and we're going to get into these in depth in this video, but I wanted to point out what you have to do first. So first thing is a traffic source. So that can be YouTube, which is what I'm doing now. It can be a blog, it can be any sort of social media. Then you've got to have an opt-in, which is where people enter their emails. Then you have to have a thank you page for entering the email, and then you have to have a sales page. So the first thing that you need is an affiliate link, obviously. So if you're not too familiar with affiliate marketing, what this is, it's where you recommend a product to somebody else and they buy it and you get a commission for it. And for this you need an affiliate link. So to get an affiliate link, it's 100% free. So what you do is you go on the website that you're interested in their product, you sign up to their affiliate program, which is 100% free, and they give you a link, and so they know that it's you that sent people through that link. So when people buy from your link, you get a commission from it. So you can do this from Amazon, which, same thing, you just go onto Amazon affiliates and you can just do that really quick. It's actually called Amazon Associates, but it's an affiliate program. So just go on there, type that on Google, go through the process. It's not very difficult, and it's pretty easy to get through. The problem with Amazon is you get very low commissions. So if you want to make real money, it's not ideal. I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend it if you've never made an affiliate sale before, because you can sell pretty cheap stuff, so maybe that will get you the first bump to go on to the next thing, but that's not where you're going to make the real money. What I recommend if you're selling digital products is mostly ClickBank. ClickBank is very good because the commissions are really good for the most part. Obviously you have to choose what you want to promote and do that with something that you're really into, a product that you actually believe in. I always say this in my videos, but if you're selling something that you don't really believe in, it's just not going to go anywhere. So ClickBank has a lot of different offers. It doesn't really matter what niche you're in. Some niches, yes, they don't have anything, but for the most part, no matter what niche you're in, you'll probably find something to sell, and the commissions are way better than Amazon. Amazon is just like really bad at this. However, again, if you're really just getting started, Amazon is probably the best way to get your first like 3 sales or something, but then you want to move on to something else because this is where you're going to make some real money. So it's really simple. Again, to sign up to ClickBank, you just sign up. It's really easy. So just go to clickbank.com, sign up to the affiliate program, and then there's like a ton of different products. You just click on the right, there's something called promote. They'll give you a link. This is your affiliate link that you have to paste, but that's what we're going to get into, where you have to paste it to actually get some traction. And that's what we're going to get into next. So you have to create something on some platform where people are actually going to be able to find you. So whether that's a blog, a YouTube channel, or any social media, Instagram is really big right now. That could be worth it, but you have to have at least 10,000 followers to have, that swipe up thing on Instagram. So, but if you know how to grow an Instagram account and you're comfortable with that, that's definitely a way to go. But I suggest blogging or YouTube channel are the best. and I'll just say it that way. YouTube is the best because you see people in front, like you see me, you know how I talk, and that's probably the best way to do it. The next step is you actually have to make articles if you're creating a blog, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, and you want to do this on the things that you want to sell. So for instance, you can compare different headphones and say which one you prefer for this and that, and you put both the affiliate links in there so that no matter what people buy, you still get a commission from it. So that's one way to do it. And then you put the link in the description of your video or on your blog at the end of the post, and that's where you get your commissions if people click on it. So that's one way of doing it. But instead of doing this, you can do something else. You can create an opt-in page. That's what we talked about at the beginning of the video. So an opt-in page is where you capture people's email. So if you're not familiar with that, it's when you go on the website and they ask you to put your email to get something for free. And how you do this is very simple. You talk about this in your YouTube videos, on your blog, or anything else. You say, I've got something for you in the description. Make sure that you check it out if you're interested. And they click on that and they get on the landing page. So they enter their email because they have no choice anyway. And they get your free product and they're very happy about your free product, and now you have their email. For that you can use ClickFunnels, for example. There's a 14-day free trial, so that's probably the best way. Like most people use ClickFunnels because that's kind of the best way to do it. It's very simple. They have templates for you, so you just have to follow along basically. And then you have to have an autoresponder, like GetResponse, for example. So I'll put that in the description because I believe that's probably the best way, and that will be an affiliate link, so there you go. But that's kind of how you have to do it. There's no way around it. You have to pay for it. It's not really expensive, but yes, you have to pay for it. So they sign it to their email, you give them the benefits of the product on the thank you page, and after they went through that thank you page, you send them to that product, to a sales page. And if they don't buy here, you can still send them emails, because that's the good thing about it. You didn't just send them to some affiliate link and people get the money from it, and you get nothing apart from your commission. There, you really you get the email and you can promote things over and over again, and you can also promote different things. You can also promote different products, and that's one of the beautiful things about affiliate marketing is you can promote something that pays recurrent income. So you can promote something once and people go through it, they pay monthly for it, and you get a commission month after month after month. You get the same, and if you get 2 people in, then you get the commissions for 2 people and 3 people and 4 people and so on. So that's one of the amazing things, because you can just get people to sign in and they pay monthly, and then you get a recurring payment for it. And again, you have to be smart about it. Don't promote something just because they pay monthly. But if you promote that and you really believe in it, that's one of the best ways, because you can just stack money on top of you can just stack money and over again and get payments every single month. The other thing that you can do with the email list, and that's very good, is if you have a blog or a YouTube channel. And especially if you have a YouTube channel, which is where the traffic mostly comes from. So what you do is you have that email list of a few people, or a few hundred people, maybe a few thousand people, whatever it may be. And what you say is, you say, I've got a great video for you guys, I'm sure you'll find value, here's the link, go check it out. And some people are going to check it out. And will result in triggering the algorithm, and YouTube will say, okay, there's a ton of people coming from places that are other than YouTube, and they seem to just watch this video or watch this video and other videos, but this is taking people to our platform. So what we're going to do is we're going to promote it even more. So then you get more people on your email list because you triggered that first part of the email list, and it kind of runs in circles again and again and again. You get more and more people to watch your YouTube videos and more people to sign up to your email list. So that's one of the best things, and people don't usually talk about this, but this is very, very good and very, very powerful. So I wanted to leave you with this great value in this video. I'm sure you'll find some. And if you did, make sure that you do subscribe, leave me a comment, because I'm always interested in what you find in these videos, what you find helpful, what you want to see next. And I'll try to respond to every comment, which I usually do. So, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.